Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. Today we will continue with our lesson Go Dohanam, milking the cow. In the previous videos, we have seen that Chandan, who is a milkman, gets an opportunity to sell 300 liters of milk and to earn a lot of money. But Chandan hastily decides to stop milking the cow. What kind of consequences he has to face of this hasty decision of his, you will come to know when we will see the remaining part of the story. So let's continue with the Tritiyam Drishyam.
Here is the Natyanshah. I'll read it out and will also mark the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah. Chandanah vadati ग्रामप्रमुखस्य गृहे महोत्सवः मासान्ते भविष्यति. तत्र 300 सेटकमितं दुग्धम् अस्माभिः दातव्यमस्ति. मल्लिका वदति किन्तु एतावन्मात्रं दुग्धं कुतः प्राप्स्यामः. चन्दनः वदति विचारय मल्लिके, प्रतिदिनं दोहनं कृत्वा दुग्धं स्थापयामः चेत् तत् सुरक्षितं न तिष्ठति. अतएव दुग्धदोहनं न क्रियते. उत्सवदिने एव समग्रं दुग्धं धोक्ष्यावः. मल्लिका वदति स्वामिन्, त्वं तु चतुरतमः, अत्युत्तमः विचारः. अधुना दुग्धदोहनं विहाय केवलं नन्दिन्याः सेवाम् एव करिष्यावः. अनेन अधिकाधिकं दुग्धं मासान्ते प्राप्स्यावः. Now let me mark the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah. The words are Mahotsavah, Masante, Etavan Matram, Ataeva, Atyuttamah, and Adhikadhikam. All these are the examples of Sandhihi. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Here is the dissolution. Mahotsavah is Maha plus Utsavah. Masante is Masa plus Ante. Etavan Matram, the dissolution is Etavat plus Matram. Ataeva is Atah plus Eva. Atyuttamah is Ati plus Uttamah. And Adhikadhikam is Adhika plus Adhikam. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation. Chandanah vadati Vicharaya Mallike. Vicharaya, think. Vicharaya is the Lot Lakar form. Lot Lakarah Madhyam Purushah Ekavachanam. O Mallika, think about it. Pratidinam dohanam krutva dugdham sthapayamah chet. Tat surakshitam na tishtati. Pratidinam, every day. Dohanam krutva, by milking the cow. Dugdham sthapayamah, if we will store the milk. Chet, if. Tat surakshitam,
Tat, it.
Surakshitam, safe. Na tishtati, it will not remain. O Mallika, think about it. If we will store milk by milking the cow every day, then it will not remain safe. It means it will get spoiled. Ataeva dugdha dohanam na kriyate. Atah eva, that's why. Dugdha dohanam na kriyate. Cow should not be milked by us. Utsavadine eva samagram dugdham dhokshavah. Utsavadine, on the day of the festival. Samagram, all of the milk. Dhokshavah, we will milk. Utsavadine eva samagram dugdham dhokshavah. So, we will milk all of the milk of the cow on the day of the festival itself. Mallika vadati Swamin, tvam tu chaturatamah. Swamin, O Lord, tvam tu chaturatamah, you are very clever. Atyuttamah vicharah, this is a great thought. Adhuna dugdha dohanam vihaya kevalam nandinyaha sevam eva karishyavah. Adhuna, now. Dugdhadohanam vihaya. Dugdhadohanam, milking the cow. Vihaya, giving up. Kevalam Nandinyaha sevam eva karishyavah. We will only take care of Nandini. We will only serve Nandini. Now, giving up milking the cow, we will only take care of Nandini. Anena adhikadhikam dugdham masante prapsyavah. Anena, by that. Adhikadhikam, abundant. Masante, at the end of the month. Prapsyavah, we will get. By that, we will get abundant milk. We will get a lot of milk at the end of the month. Thus, Mallika supports Chandan's decision of not milking the cow for a month. Now, students, take a note of some important forms with pratyayas. The first one is krutva. Here the dhatuhu is kru and the pratyayah is ktva. And the next one is vihaya. The upsargah is vi, dhatuhu is ha, and the pratyayah is lyap. Vi plus ha plus lyap.
Students, I assume that you have understood the translation. Now let me take you to the Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Natyanshaha.
Here are the Visheshan Vishesha Padani. The words Trishatasetakamitham and Datavyam are the Visheshane of the word Dugdham. The word Etavan Matram is the Visheshanam of the word Dugdham. The word Surakshitam is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Tat, which is used to refer to the milk of the cow. Samagram is the Visheshanam of the word Dugdham. Chaturatamaha is of Tvam, and this pronoun Tvam is used to refer to Chandanaha. Atyuttamaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vicharaha, and Adhikadhikam is the Visheshanam of the word Dugdham. Agrimaha Natyanshaha. Aham Natyanshasya Pathanam Karomi. द्वावेव धेनोः सेवायां निरतौ भवतः अस्मिन् क्रमे घासादिकं गुडादिकं च भोजयतः कदाचित् विषाणयोः तैलं लेपयतः तिलकं धारयतः रात्रौ निराजनेनापि तोषयतः चन्दनः वदति मल्लिके आगच्छ कुम्भकारं प्रति चलावः दुग्धार्थं पात्रप्रबन्धोऽपि करणीयः द्वावेव निर्गतौ. Let me mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words are dvaveva, ghasadikam, gudadikam, nirajanenapi and patraprabandhopi. All these words are the examples of sandhihi. Now let's see the vichhedah of these words. Dvaveva is the example of ayadi sandhihi and the resolution is dvau plus eva. Ghasadikam, the resolution is ghasa plus adikam. Gudadikam, gud plus adikam. Nirajanenapi, the vichhedah is nirajanena plus api, and patra prabandhopi is patra prabandhah plus api, and it's the example of visargasya utvam. Now let's see the meanings of the words. Dvaveva is the sandhihi and the resolution we have already seen, dvau plus eva, both of them. Dhenoho sevayam, in serving the cow, in taking care of the cow. Niratau, engrossed, they get busy, they get engrossed. Dvaveva dhenoho sevayam niratau bhavatah, both of them get engrossed in serving the cow, in taking care of the cow. Asmin krame ghasadikam gudadikam cha bhojayatah, अस्मिन् क्रमे, in this process. घास आदिकम, घास grass, गुड jaggery, आदिकम etc. भोजयतः feed. In this process they feed grass and jaggery to her. कदाचित् विषाणयोः तैलं लेपयतः. कदाचित् sometimes. विषाणयोः on the cow's horns. तैलं लेपयतः they apply oil. They apply oil on the cow's horns. तिलकं धारयतः they put tilak to her. And ratrau at night nirajanena api toshayatah. Nirajanena by performing the ceremony of arti. By performing her arti. Toshayatah they please her. And they try to please her by performing her arti at night. Both of them get engrossed in serving the cow. In this process, they feed grass and jaggery etc. to her. Sometimes they apply oil on her horns, apply tilak to her, and they try to please her performing her arti at night. It means both of them start taking extra care of the cow. Chandanah vadati Mallike agaccha. O Mallika, come. Kumbhakaram prati chalavah. Kumbhakarah means potter. Let's go to the potter. Dugdhartham patra prabandhopi karaniyah. Dugdhartham for milk. Patra prabandha arrangement of vessel or vessels. We need to arrange vessels for milk. Means we need to make the arrangement of vessels for storing the milk. Dvaveva nirgatau. Nirgatau exit. Go out. Both of them exit. So students, now I'm going to discuss an important rule of grammar which is again related to Upapad Vibhaktihi. Kumbhakaram prati. Here the word Kumbhakaram is used in Dvitiya Vibhaktihi because the indeclinable prati governs Dvitiya. Now let's see Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Natyanshah. There is only one pair of Visheshan Vishesha Padam. Niratau, this word is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Dvau, which is used in the form of Sandhihi.
So here ends the Trutiyam Drishyam. Now let me take you to the Chaturtham Drishyam.
Chaturtham Drishyam Kumbhakarah Ghatarachanayam Leenah Gayati Jnatvapi Jivika Hetuho Rachayami Ghatanaham Jivanam Bhanguram Sarvam Yathaisha Mrittika Ghatah. Chandanah vadati Namaskaromi Tata Panchadasha Ghatan Ichchami Kin Dasyasi Deveshah Katham na Vikrayanaya eva ete Gruhana Ghatan Panchashatottara Rupyakani cha dehi. Chandanah vadati Sadhu Param mulyantu dugdham vikriya eva datum shakyate. Deveshah vadati Kshamyatam putra Mulyam vinatu ekamapi ghatam na dasyami. Now let me mark the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah. The words are Jnatvapi Yathaisha Mrittika Ghatah Ghatanaham Ekamapi. So you can see there are two examples of Sandhihi and two examples of Sanyogah in this given Natyanshah. Now let's see the Vichchedah of these words. Jnatvapi, the dissolution is Jnatva plus api. Ghatanaham is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Ghatan with halantana plus aham. The next word is Yathaisha Mrittika Ghatah. This is the example of Sandhihi and the dissolution is Yatha plus Eshah plus Mrittika Ghatah. And the last one is Ekam api and the dissolution is Ekam plus api. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation. Chaturtham drishyam, the fourth scene of the play. Kumbhakarah, potter, ghatarachanayam leenah gayati. Ghatarachanayam, it means making pots. In making pots, leenah, engrossed, engaged. The potter is engrossed or engaged in making pots. Gayati, sings. The potter who is engrossed in making pots sings. Jnatvapi jivika hetuho rachayami ghatanaham. Jnatva, knowing. Jnatvapi, even after knowing. The word jnatva is the example of tva pratyaya form. Jna dhatuhu plus tva pratyayah. Jivika hetoho, for earning my livelihood. Rachayami, I make. And what do I make? Ghatan, pots. I make pots to earn my livelihood. Knowing what? Jivanam bhanguram sarvam. Jivanam, life. Bhanguram, momentary or perishable. It is used with two meanings here. The first meaning is perishable and the other meaning is breakable. Sarvam, entire. The entire life is momentary or perishable. Yatha, just as. Eshah mrittika ghatah. Eshah, this. Mrittika ghatah, earthen pot. A pot made of clay. So the translation of the verse is, though I know that the entire life is momentary or perishable like an earthen pot which is breakable, yet I make pots to earn my livelihood. So here the potter says that our life is perishable or momentary like a breakable earthen pot. Just as a pot gets broken and it cannot be restored, in the same way, once our life comes to an end, we cannot get it back. Though he knows this fact very well, yet he keeps on making pots to earn his livelihood. Thus, the potter has explained a deep philosophy of life in simple and easy words. Chandanah vadati, namaskaromi tata. Tata is a term which is used to express respect towards someone. So tata means sir or respected one. O respected one, namaskaromi, I bow down to you. So Chandan has used this word tata to refer to Kumbhakarah. Panchadasha ghatan ichchami. I want to get 15 pots. Kin dasyasi, will you give them to me? Deveshah. Visarga is not printed here, and Deveshah is the name of the potter. Katham na, why not? Vikrayanaya eva ete. Vikrayanaya, for selling. Ete, all these. All these are indeed for selling. Gruhana ghatan. Gruhana, take. Take these pots.
Panchashatottara rupyakani cha dehi. Dehi means give and Panchashatottara rupyakani means 105 rupees. Give me 105 rupees.
Chandanah vadati, sadhu. Okay, all right. Param mulyam tu dugdham vikriya eva datum shakyate. Param, but. Mulyam, the price. Dugdham vikriya. Vikriya, after selling. Eva datum, to give, to pay. Shakyate, can be. But the price can be paid only after selling the milk. It means I can pay the price for these pots only after selling the milk. Vikriya is the example of lyap pratyaya form. Vi upsargah plus kri dhatuhu plus lyap pratyayah. And datum is the example of tumun pratyaya form. Da dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. All right, but I'll be able to pay the price only after selling the milk. Deveshah vadati, kshamyatam putra. Kshamyatam, I'm sorry. Pardon me. Putra, O son. O son, I'm sorry. Mulyam vinatu ekamapi ghatam na dasyami. Mulyam vina, without getting the price. Ekamapi ghatam. Ekam one. Ghatam pot na dasyami. I can't give you. I won't give you. Oh son, I'm sorry. Without getting the price, I can't give you any pot. Now, let me explain an important rule of Upapad Vibhakti used here. Mulyam vina. The word mulyam is used in Dvitiya Vibhakti because of the word vina. The indeclinable vina governs Dvitiya, Tritiya or Panchami Vibhakti. And mulyam is used in Dvitiya. Now let's see the Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Natyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Vishesha Padani. The word leenaha, which means engrossed or engaged, is the Visheshanam of the word kumbhakaraha. The word bhanguram is the Visheshanam of the word jivanam. The word panchadasha, which means 15, is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham ghatan, and ekam, which is used in the form of sanyogaha here, is the Visheshanam of the word ghatam.
That concludes the presentation. I sincerely appreciate your attention today and will finish up saying Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha.